Welcome to the series Learn Chess Through 100 Puzzles. This is Bharat Divyang from Chessels.com. In this position, black needs to checkmate the white king in two moves. Pause the video here and see if you're able to solve this problem. Welcome back. The key to solving this problem is again Zugzwang, and also the realization that a single queen cannot checkmate a king. The queen needs the support of the king, and only then can it checkmate. Which means one way to think about it is to make the white king come closer to the black king and not away from him. So we can start off by looking at the white king and seeing what are the squares around him. Right now these are three squares that he can't come to because of the queen controlling it, thereby allowing the white king two green squares, which is a3 and a5. Now ask yourself the question, do you want the king to move away from the black king or come closer? So you want him to come closer, and the only way to do that is by controlling the a5 square with the queen. And if you want to do that, there are multiple ways of doing it. One, of course, is to move the queen to e1 and control the a5 square diagonally. The other way of doing that is just probably giving a check. In either of these two cases, what happens is these red squares turn into green. The moment you move the queen here, what happens is these turn into green and the king is no longer forced to come here. Right? He can actually escape into this square, and that's absolutely not what we want. So in other words, you want these squares to be red, and the only way all three squares are going to be red is the queen continues to be in the B file. So now let's redefine our problem. The queen needs to be on the B file, at the same time have complete control over the A5 square. And the one place the queen can do it from is going to be B6. So the first move involves moving the queen to B6 and controlling the a5 square as well as the three squares on the next file, forcing the white king to come to a3. And once he does this, you have two ways of delivering the checkmate. The first one is queen coming to a5 and giving a checkmate, and this is actually a back rank checkmate if you haven't recognized the pattern. The other way of doing a checkmate is to actually come right in front of the king. So bringing the queen right in front of the king. And this particular pattern of checkmate also something that repeats a lot, and this is called the hug of death, or in some cases the kiss of death. Right? Thank you so much. I look forward to seeing you in the next puzzle. I hope you found this insightful. Appreciate your time. Thank you.